In this video, I'm going to show you how to change default browser on Android phone. So I'm using an Android One device, so the user interface could be a little different. Okay, so first let's go to settings. And then let's go to apps and notifications. And then let's tap on default apps. And then tap on browser. So from here, you could choose which web browser you want to make default so that whenever you tap a link on your phone, that web browser will open that link. So if I want a Chrome or if I want Firefox, I could select it from this menu. So whatever other browsers you have in your phone will be shown on this page. And that is how you select your default browser on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.